Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you one of the most beautiful Persian traditions, setting up the Hafsin table for Nowruz, the Persian New Year. It's all about love, family, and new beginnings. Let's start! Now it's time to arrange everything. Each of these 7 items starts with the letter S in Persian, and each one has a symbolic meaning. Let's take a closer look at our Hafsin table. Sabze symbolizes rebirth. Sib, apple, stands for beauty and health. Sanjad reminds us of love and wisdom. Samanu, wheat pudding, symbolizes strength and power. Sirke, vinegar, shows patience. Somak represents the sunrise of a new day.
Sir,
Garlic, this ward of the evils. Now we add some extra details. A mirror for self-reflection. Candles for light. Decorated eggs for fertility and new life. But this is broken now. And fish. Look at these beautiful fish. They are playing together. Also sikke, coin, and Quran. Look at this beautiful table. This is how we welcome Nowruz. It's a moment of joy, family, and new beginnings. Thank you for being a part of this special moment with me. If you celebrate Nowruz, let me know how you set up your house.